Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Maker vaults after switching browsers, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Maker Vaults website. Log into your Maker account using your credentials. Look for the option labeled Restore Vaults. Click on Restore Vaults to begin the process. You will be prompted to select your recovery method. Choose the method that suits you best, such as using a recovery phrase or wallet address. If you're using a recovery phrase, enter it in the provided field carefully. Ensure there are no typos in your recovery phrase. If you're using a wallet address, paste it into the designated area. After entering your recovery information, click on the Next button. Wait for the system to retrieve your vault information. Once retrieved, review the list of your Maker vaults. Select any vaults you want to restore. Click on the Restore Selected Vaults button. The system will process your request and restore your chosen vaults. You should see a confirmation message once the restoration is complete. Now, you can access all your restored Maker vaults seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the troubleshooting section on the website. Always ensure your recovery details are kept secure for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.